Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick video on a skincare product that I came across. So I just wanted to do a quick review on it and share with you all some of the benefits. So the skincare product that I would be sharing with you all today is called The Ordinary, and I ordered it from a company called Beautylish. And so I will definitely leave that link below so you all can go ahead and try it if you would like. Just some information about my skin in particular. So my skin, I have combination skin. So I am really oily around my T-zone, and then I have some dry areas around my face. Now this product here is actually a peel. And so it looks like this, and I'm gonna give you some information about this. I'm also going to demonstrate and show you all how this particular formula works. So one of the first things you want to do is actually read the directions. Of course, do your own research, and according to the direction, you want to cleanse your face and wait for it to dry. So you don't want to apply it to wet skin. You also want to leave the product on for 10 minutes. You will feel, some kind of tingling or burn, but if it's too extreme, then you definitely want to wash it off. You want to, of course, avoid the eye area or contact to the eye. And it also says here that you don't want to leave the product on for longer than 10 minutes. My face is already cleansed. Of course, I don't have any type of makeup on or anything. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply the mask. So this is the mask, how it looks. I'm gonna give it a little shake here. I'm gonna be careful, not to let it fall or anything. So the mask, don't be scared, guys. It's actually very red. Like, I heard someone made a joke once and they were saying how, I believe they use this or compare this to like putting cow's blood on, which I thought was funny because it does look like blood a little. Not as thick though, of course. So you just want to go ahead and get that all over your skin. Now when I was doing some research about this, I remember one person saying that they used it like twice a week. And then I also heard other people say, they only use it once a week. For me, I would only use this once a week. And again, it's because of my skin type. Like I said, it's very sensitive, so I don't want to put anything that's going to irritate my skin. So for me, I would definitely only use it once a week. Okay guys, so pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off and come back and show you all the results of how it looks. So I will see you all in a bit. And yeah, I could already feel, some tingling, but it's nothing that's too harsh, that it's burning or anything. So I can definitely, endure it. So I'll see you all in a bit. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes and I went ahead and rinsed the peel off my face, and this is the results. And let me just tell you how much I'm in love with this product. I'm really in love with it because it's a really great product, just to keep your skin clear and give you that glow. Like, it's a really good product. And if I didn't mention before, these products are really affordable. So for the peel itself, I believe it was like $5 and change. I definitely know it wasn't over $6. And also for all of the moisturizer that I purchased, they weren't, you know, over $6 either. It was $5 and change. And I feel like it's really affordable and really great quality, because anything that you're using on your skin, you want to ensure that it's of great quality, because this is your face, you know, it's the first thing that people see. So you definitely want to use a quality brand on your face, and I feel like these products are great quality and you can't beat the price. So guys, I'm gonna leave all of the information about this product in my description box below. I will also leave a link on how you can order any of these products that you want to try. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Bye.